Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we have seen the introduction to the PowerPoint. We have seen the PowerPoint presentation. How can we open a first PowerPoint file? Then we have seen that what are the PowerPoint elements that we can add to a slide. We have discussed the use of PowerPoint, some history of PowerPoint. We have discussed. Then we started interface of this PowerPoint. We have seen that what is in the quick access toolbar, which is available here. Then tabs, these are the tabs. Then we have seen the ribbon. This portion is called as ribbon. How to hide and unhide the ribbon that we have seen. Then slide tab. This is called as slide tab. You can add a new slide by clicking on Ctrl plus M. Then we have seen the zoom option, which are available here at the bottom right corner. Then title bar. This is called as a title bar. Note section is available here. And then we have discussed the outline view, where all the slides can be visible at once. So that we have seen in the last lecture. Also, we have seen how to create a new file, how to save it, how to open a saved file, and how to close a file. So this description is regarding the outline view. In this lecture, we will study about the slide view. So about the slide view. So there are three kinds of slide views. You can see here from bottom corner, right bottom corner. We are having three slide views: normal, slide sorter, and slideshow. So what the normal view? This is what default view that we are now you are seeing. This is a normal view. This is what default view where you can edit your slide. That means you can able to edit the slide. You can add a slide, edit a slide. Also you can type inside the slide. So by default, now we are in the normal view. Also we can move the slide, duplicate the slide, copy the slide. So that is what a normal view. We are in now normal view. Second view is called as slide sorter view. It is available here. If you click on this slide sorter view, you can see that all the slides which are displayed in a miniature or a small format, we can able to see that the number of slides available in for one presentation, that we can see very easily. We need not to move the mouse for bottom. Just we are able to see all the slides at once here. Also you can do the changes. Suppose I want this slide number 10 to this position. So I'm clicking this and dragging. So the slides are being swapped. So likewise, I'm doing Control Z now. So like these options, these operations can be possible very easily if we click on this slide sorter view. So slide sorter view. In this view, miniature slides are arranged on the screen. You can drag and drop the slides very easily to reorder them and to see the more slides at one time. So this is very good view to use and confirm that how many slides we have added for one presentation. So that is about the slide sorter view. Besides this, we have slideshow. If I click on this, you see that the slideshow view is there. You can able to click on the, if you want to check the next slide, you click on this arrow. You want to go back, click on this arrow. So this is how is a slideshow view. So in this view, completely fills the computer. As you can see over here, no file tab, no ribbon, no slide pane, nothing is there. Only the text, only the slide is occupied whole screen. So this is what the slideshow view. Completely fills the computer screen, and what is the audience will see when they view the presentation. The audience will see this only, right? Then slideshow view has additional menu that appears when you over it, allowing you to navigate the slides and access other features you can see during the presentation. So that means you are able to click on this arrow for going for the next slide and you can click on this back arrow for going to the previous slide. Now one more option is available here called as arrow, or we can use a ballpoint pen, pen, tip pen, highlighter. So I am selecting a highlighter, and you can see you can highlight the particular point while giving a presentation. So this option is available here. Click on this, select the highlighter. If you select ballpoint pen, you can draw here. So the ink for this by default is black. You can select another ink also. So first you select the ink color. So I am selecting red, and then you use this for underlining some particular point. This is called as ballpoint pen. So first you select the ink. So for example, I am selecting purple, and you can select felt tip pen, and you draw. You can use this for underlining some points. Ink color pink, ink color purple, ballpoint pen. So you see the purple color has been applied. So you can differentiate between this ballpoint pen and felt tip pen and highlighter also. So if you don't want this, use eraser. Select the eraser and just drag over the particular thing that you have just drawn. It will erase the thing. If you use the eraser in this manner, erase all ink on slide. So click this. All the ink that we have used for highlighter, for ballpoint pen, all is being erased. So this option is available here. Also you can select the arrow option. So whether you want to display the arrow while giving the presentation or visible or hidden, that you can apply. So now it is visible. You see here, my arrow is like this. This arrow I am using, right? So these options are available here. So besides this, we have this. We can also click on the next slide by clicking this. We can also click on the previous. The previous slide is shown. Next slide is shown. So this go to the slide. You can go to a different slide by clicking on this. So suppose I am going to slide number 2, slide number 4. It is showing me the slide number 4. Okay. So go to the slide. It is showing you the title of that particular slide, and you can easily go to the particular slide. We are discussing slide number 2, right? And same thing can be possible just by clicking on this arrow. Next. Or back or forward. So this also option is available here also, and last view. One more option is available. Last view slide is also visible by clicking on this last view. Then screen, black screen, white screen. Okay, suppose I am selecting the black screen. All will become black because my text was in black. So again, screen, unblack screen. Normal screen is now visible. So like this, if your text color is different, then it will look good, otherwise not. So select the screen according to your ink selected for 4 colors, that according to that select the screen. Then I am going to end this show. It is asking, do you want to keep your ink annotations? No, discard. So I am discarding all the ink that I have used for the presentation. So this is what called as slideshow. Now this option is available bottom right corner, as well as you can select this option from here, slideshow. Slideshow tab, separate tab is given over here. So you can click on this from beginning. Suppose I am clicking on this beginning. It is showing you the slide presentation from the beginning. Right. So I am going to end now. If you don't want to show from beginning, if you want to show this from this slide, select this from current slide. Okay. Then end show. So custom slide is shown that we will see later on, because I am covering this home tab first, right? So later on we will see the detailed slideshow tab later on. So for slideshow options, we can click on here, as well as it is available in this tab for from beginning, from current slide. So that's it regarding this slide uh, slide view. So there are three types of slide view: normal, slide sorter, and slideshow. Next, we will see how to copy and paste the particular slide. So I am going to copy this slide. So for that, normally what Control plus C. This is a shortcut key for copy, and for pasting it is Control plus V. So whichever slide that you want to copy, put a cursor over there and then press Control C, and then suppose I am going to click pasting the slide on different file. So select the particular slide file, and say for example, last time we have discussed the example PPT, and I would like to paste the slide over here. Control plus V. So this slide is being pasted over here. Right. Now let us look at this. Another slide. I would like to show you the cut paste option. So do duplicate slide. This is my slide from lecture number 1. I am going to cut it from here. So for that you need to select it. Then only these options will enable. You need to select the slide and then cut. And then I am going to paste Control plus V. So it is being pasted. So the difference between cut paste and copy paste is copy. If you do the copy, it is available both the slides. That is in lecture 1. You see here in lecture 1 as well as here also. But if you do the cut paste option, so it is removed from this location and directly pasted over here in this copy, this one, duplicate slide. So this duplicate slide was removed from this slide show. Why? It was here, right? Because we have used the cut option. Now I am going to paste it again. So this slide is now available. That is the difference between cut paste and copy paste. So in the home tab we have discussed this cut paste copy paste. You can click here. You can use paste option from here, or you can also use the shortcut key. So we are discussing cut copy paste options from the home tab. You can use the shortcut keys, or you can use it from the icon. Now let us look at the format painter. Format painter is used to apply the same formatting on the selected text. Okay, so I will show you. I am going to add one slide over here and show you how can we do the format painting. So I am typing here welcome and thank you. So whatever the formatting I am applying to this welcome, so for example bold and italic, and I am applying font color as a red. And if I want to apply the same formatting effect on this word called as thank you, so put a cursor over here, click on the format painter, and just drag this brush on that particular text. So it is being applied. Format painter is used to apply the formatting effect on a selected text. So that is the use of format painter. If you don't want this option, you select this and clear all formatting. So all the formatting is being clear. Same here, if you select this and you click on this clear all the formatting, whatever we have done, bold, italic, that is being clear. So this is option called as clear all formatting, and this is format painter, by which you can apply the same formatting text to the selected text. So put a cursor over here, select this format painter and apply. Okay, you can apply from here, select this and apply. First of all, you need to select the particular text, ये वाला formatting आप apply करना चाहते हो, so select that, select this and then format painter and then this and apply. So it is applied. So likewise, you can do this. Then we have completed this task. So new slide. So in the previous lecture, I told you that there is an option called as Control plus M to add a new slide. Also, you can use. So we were discussing cut, copy, paste. Cut, copy, paste is over, and then we have discussed the format painter option also. Next is how to duplicate a slide. So select the slide that you want to duplicate. Select this and click on this new slide tab arrow and click this duplicate selected slide. It is automatically pasted over here. Okay. So select the particular slide and click on the duplicate slide. So that is the difference between copy paste and creating a duplicate slide. So if you want a duplicate slide option, the difference is that it is the alternative for copying and pasting, right? So duplicating slide copies the selected slide in one step only and it fits directly underneath. Whatever slide you have selected for duplication, it will be pasted immediately below that slide. That is what the difference. This is not the case in the copy and paste. You can paste the slide wherever you want. But in case of duplicate slide, what happens? Select the slide, click on this duplicate slide. It will immediately paste or create a new slide below that particular slide. That is what the difference. So we can see here one, two, three slides are being duplicated because I have clicked the duplicate slide button for 3 times. So that is the difference between copy paste and duplicate slide. So this feature does not allow you to choose the location, okay, of the copied slide, nor does it offer the paste option for advanced user. So it is more convenient for quickly inserting a similar slide. If you want the similar slide quickly, then only it will help. So I am going to delete it now. Click on the slide that you want to delete and click the delete button from the keyboard. So whatever duplicate slides I have created, that is being deleted. So this is about how to duplicate a slide. Next is how to move a slide. To select the particular slide that you want to move and click, hold and drag your mouse to a new location. In a horizontal insertion point, you will make the location. Suppose I want to select this slide and move it to the last. So just drag it. Just drag it. This move slide, I would like to put in a position number 5. So just drag it. And here, now this move slide is available in the slide number 5. So this is what I'm doing control there because I have shown you for how to do it. Now my slide is slide number 14. So if you want it to be at a slide number 5, you can do it from this slide sorter view also, but you can do it from here also. Just select and drag location where you want to put. It is now at slide number 15. Okay, so I'm doing control here. Now 14th slide is move my slide. Move the slide. So this is how you can do this. Then we will see some features of PowerPoint where there is a slide layout. We have discussed this portion. We have selected this. Now how can we slide layout? So by clicking on this new slide button, I am going to add a new slide. Just put a cursor over here and click on the new slide. So it is being added. Also you can use Control plus M option, Control plus M for adding a new slide. So this is about how can we add a new slide. Next, so the slide layout option is available in the home section, that is here. This is a slide layout. Last time I have introduced this regarding this slide layout. In the last lecture I have introduced the slide layout. As I told you, these are the different slide layouts available. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different slide layouts are available. You can apply different slide layouts for 2 different slides as per your choice. So, for example, in the first slide, I have applied this one, title and content. And for second slide, I would like to apply the next slide, comparison. Just select this. So that means in this slide, I am having this layout, title and content. And for this slide, I am using comparison layout, comparison layout. So likewise, we can apply. Suppose by mistake, I moved this text box to this position. I moved this text box to this position, right? So the layout pattern change. Okay. So if I want the layout pattern back, just click on this reset. Now you see the change. With the help of this reset button, if, if the layout pattern change, you can get it back if you click on the reset button. So suppose for this, I have applied this comparison layout, and for slide number 17, if I apply this content with caption, so you can use it. Okay, and by mistake, I have done some changes. I have done some changes in the slide layout pattern, and if I want to back, just click on the reset option. It will reset the all things like previous according to the layout that we have selected. So this is what different we can use it, and as I told you, this dotted border is called as placeholder. This dotted border is called as placeholder. So I am going to do it Control Z because I want content with caption like layout. Okay, so this was the original slide layout that I have used for explanation. So we were discussing that the slide layout tab is available in the home. Inside this, you can see the different kinds of 9 kinds of slide layouts, and that dotted border is called as placeholder. Placeholder. Okay, so that's it regarding this. For adding a new text box, we will see it in the next lecture. Thank you. So I'm going to delete whatever slide I have inserted for example purpose. I'm going to delete it. So we have discussed today in this lecture, we have discussed regarding the cut copy paste option, the format painter option. Then we have discussed how to duplicate a slide, how to copy paste a slide. Then how can we have also seen that how can we apply different slide layouts to the different slide also, and how can we use the reset button. And if you want to delete a particular slide, you select this delete button. So I am deleting this slide and click on this delete. So it is being deleted. Also it is possible by selecting a slide and by pressing the delete option from your keyboard also. So this is about this tab. So thank you. That's it for this lecture.